How do you feel about the exploitation of animals?
I don't eat meat, so okay, now I
Are you vegan?
Yes,
How long have you been vegan for?
since I was a teenager.
Do you agree that we should defend animals actively, the same way
No,
we're
what
doing
do you
here?
mean? No, you do the exposition. I
Yeah, yeah.
understand. This is fantastic.
Do you know what veganism is, the definition?
Oh, sure.
Do you think it's okay not to be vegan? For people not to be
my
vegan?
husband and my 4 boys, they're all carnivores. I tried
They eat meat.
very hard.
They're not carnivores.
They're carnivores.
No.
They're animals. They eat like they.
We
eat
are
the meat
animals,
like,
but they're
yes,
not
we are.
carnivores.
You're right. Yeah, but they eat the meat like.
But do you think it's okay not to be vegan?
It's okay not to be vegan, but
It's
I
okay
hate
not
the
to be
mass
vegan?
murdering. What can I do? You know, I couldn't try. I couldn't convince my children to not
I'm
be.
not saying you have to convince your children. I'm just asking you if you think it's okay not to be
I
vegan.
wish that we were all vegan and not killing the animals. Yeah.
Fuck.